So we founded Cognitiv 9 years ago with the idea that deep learning, this technology that powers self-driving cars and Siri and Alexa and DALL-E and ChatGPT would be a better way to predict consumer behavior. And 9 years ago, deep learning was really in its infancy still, but we knew that it needed a lot of data. But if it had that data, it was much, much better than any other type of machine learning that had come before. And we thought that would really do well to apply to the digital space because of the programmatic advertising that you can do with real-time bidding. There's a ton of data all day long that you get from that. And so that's how we started the company, with the idea that we would use these deep learning algorithms that are self-learning and self-driving, as we say, to predict consumer behavior.
So tell us what you ingest. What goes into that learning process from brands?
Yeah. The cool thing about what we do is that every client that we have, every advertiser that we have, we ingest first-party data. There's a lot of different ways to do that. So the easiest and most traditional way is a pixel on the site that indicates an action that the advertiser wants more of. So a sale, or a quote, filling out a quote, or just a visit, things like that, or signing up for a test drive. There's other ways that we ingest first-party data. So we have integrations with CPG data companies that tell us whether somebody bought something in a store, or location companies, whether with football companies, whether somebody has come to a store. So all of those are first-party data that we can use to tell us, okay, these are the people that are already doing the thing you want more of. Now our algorithm's going to learn from that and go find new people for you, net new people.
So how do you close the loop, or how does that happen? In other words, there's expectation that this is going to work. How do you know it works?
Yeah, so these buying algorithms are plugged into different buying capabilities. We have our own managed service DSP, but we also plug into SSPs and deliver those algorithms through a curated bid stream. So we put a deal ID on top of the bid stream so that traders at other DSPs like the Trade Desk and DV360 can target a deal ID. But behind that, the algorithm is telling them which impressions to buy, which impressions will perform, right? And so once you do that and it's all set up, then we can tell which person was exposed to the ad and whether that person took the action you're looking for. And if they did, great. But if they didn't, it's also great, because the algorithm and deep learning technology, it learns from every single thing it does, whether it was right or wrong. Just like we humans learn on tests, whether we were right or wrong. When we're wrong, we still try to learn to get the answer right. And that's what these deep learning algorithms do all day long in real time.
Awesome. And what's next for you guys? Where is the opportunity for growth?
Yeah, so 2024 is just going to be a monster of a year for us. We're by far the oldest and the largest of these algorithm companies in the industry. And as we're seeing here at Possible, AI is a huge topic of conversation for everybody. People are looking for automation, optimization, and efficiencies in everything that they're doing. So we fit into all of those spaces. And it's just been a great couple last years, and 2024 is going to be no different.